Well, let's say I want a photograph for the kitchen. And I've come up with an idea. Quick result. Today's little creative one, you're just going to need a couple of things. Whiteboard. Paper, you can do this with paper, but a whiteboard fairly large is probably going to be best. And you're going to need an LED light and a cup. I wanted something for the kitchen that was pretty plain, simple, bit of negative space, but something that was a bit, it's a kitchen. It was a good few years ago now. I actually seen a pretty similar shot taken, and I thought, I've got an idea. So, what is it we're going to do? So as you can see, it's just a rather simple setup of just a cup on the whiteboard, and the camera shooting down. What we'll say is, make sure you white balance on the white card. You can do that in post, but it's always best to try and get it done on camera. I've tried it different ways of having the handle of the cup pointing in, a variety of different directions. But I seem to like this one. The light on the left hand side shining, you basically just create a nice shadow across the rest of the board. Wanted it a little bit sort of negative space in that as well. And it's just plain and simple. It just makes a real gentle idea for just a photograph in your kitchen. Just got to persuade the wife now. Settings wise, f11. I'll put on auto ISO. It just gives you something I've got to worry about. The thing is because I'm going to try and enhance the shadows anyway in post, and I'm not really too worried about noise either. I do want to try and keep that down. I can soon remove that in the same in post as well. This is more just a case of trying to get just a rather simple sort of an image. It's on aperture priority, so I'll put f11. So on auto ISO, the camera's going to do the shutter speed. Because I haven't got to worry about movement because it can be stationary. There's very little to worry about, to be honest. So yeah, this should be pretty fairly simple. The height of the light as well, you're going to need to adjust that, and because you're going to want it close but not too close. You're also going to need to try to enhance that shadow, because that's one of the parts that's going to make the image. It's not just the cup, it's the shadow. And talking of shadows, I did do one with the heart shape in a book. I'll leave a link to that one up above. I've just got this feeling it's missing something. So I think I'm going to put some liquid in the cup. So I'm going to make a very dark cup of coffee. So we have it, real nice, plain simple, and I think pretty effective, using light to create shadows. Thanks for joining me on this one. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. So take care, stay safe. I'll see you soon.